welcome to the Rebuild Me Love Letter. Today, our word is going to be purpose. Do you know that Google reports that 95% of people don't have an idea of what their purpose is in life? It further states that there's a 46% of people that have a degree that don't work in their field. And then another 29% of those same people that have a degree, they're working in a different field. But then there's a large percentage of people over the age of 54 with degrees that are unemployed. And I'm bringing that to the forefront because we often equate our career path as a form of verification that we are walking in our divine purpose. But that may not always be the case because we get so caught up in our daily living, our needs that have to be met, that it becomes a vicious cycle of mundane, rigorous, daily functioning, as opposed to breaking that cycle and stepping out and discovering who you really are. I embarked upon a pathway towards life coaching. I'll be honest, I never knew what it was really. I was in a networking meeting and I heard about it, but I never thought about it because I felt like I was on my path already. But I will tell you that life can present some really tough opposition and can cause you to lose your job, lose your career. Now you're standing around and you're looking like, oh my gosh, I thought I was doing my purpose. I thought this was my purpose in life. So how do you get back to redirecting that negative situation and owning your power and now creating a solution that's going to lead you into your divine purpose? I challenge you, if you are going through the same or similar frustration in your life, don't give up. Take some time, detach, and talk to God. Spend time with God because that is your greatest asset to discovering who you are designed to be. So in a world where 95% people don't know, dare to be in that 5% that does. I hope this blessed you today. Have a wonderful